Yeah, 2 of these and then 4 of the 8s. This will go in line with your side on the bottom.
Oh shit. My measurements are off on the top because the header.
So because we cut these 2 boards together, we're gonna make sure to keep them as basically mirror images of one another. That way if the arch is slightly off, it's at least even front to back, and that can be kind of fixed or I guess repaired with putting the sheetrock on. But now we're gonna do each of the supports in between. So we're gonna start with the 2 that will technically be on the top, but this will allow us to lay the plywood flat and the wood flat up against our work surface. And then these guys have a space of 1 2x4 width, because that 2x4 is how we're going to attach this to our large columns once we get it all in place, since we are kind of prefabbing this. And then we'll finish out the arch with 2x4s going in between, which is what the sheetrock will ultimately screw into under the arch here. But see how it's paper? So I think width-wise, we can just take a razor blade and cut. But until then, we can wear it as a skirt. How's it look?
That's great. So this is the esthetician office we're working on. We put up this wrap and molding. We wrapped that post and built this arch. It's 2x4s, plywood, sheetrock, and then more of that wrap is going to be behind it. And we built 2 shelves for it. And the designer we're working with, she's painting this mural right now.
Done.
I love it!
We're ready for opening.
We're so ready!
Bring in the customers.
First glance.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed collaborating with this awesome team. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon to get notified for the next time that we post a new video. And if you guys are in the Central Texas area, be sure to check out this awesome group of young ladies who have started this company called Fresh Aesthetics. It is westlakefreshaesthetics.com, where you'll get to see their full list of services and all the awesome little fun things that they have to offer. And while you're surfing the web, be sure to check out rodneyandjake.com, where you'll see our blog with other projects listed, as well as things like our merch store. And as you guys know, clicking that subscribe button is what really helps support our channel, but we want to give a huge special thank you to all of our members. We'll see you guys next time.